One area that could definitely use a dry break is Muscle Shoals. They got slammed with more rain and storms today. In fact, take a look at the time lapse from earlier this afternoon. The rain coming down. We had a nice little shelf cloud roll through coming on up here in just 1 second. Here it comes. Just another surge of gusty winds associated with the rain that fell quite a bit across northwest Alabama earlier on today. So some impressive skies, no doubt about it. Thankfully, we avoided severe weather today, but we did have more reports of flooding around Florence around lunchtime. And you can see why. Just over the past 24 hours, much of Lauderdale County estimated to receive 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. That is a lot of rain already on top of some areas that had some flooding problems earlier this week. So certainly northwest Alabama more than anyone else could use a break from the rainfall. Estimates of rainfall totals over the past 24 hours around a ½ inch to 1 inch for those of us farther to the east. We are all dry in North Alabama on 31 triple Doppler. Regionally, the rain that we had earlier today has surged south or fizzled out. So at this point, it's looking like we're going to have a dry night tonight in North Alabama with no storms anywhere close to us to the north or to the west. 66 our forecast low tonight. The rain continuing to clear on out. It will be a muggy and still night across North Alabama. As for Saturday, 87 our high. It's going to be a toasty day tomorrow, and our best chance at storms will be late in the day. It's not a guarantee that everyone sees those storms, though. Let's walk through future radar for this weekend. The morning, very likely to be dry across the region. As we head toward the afternoon, we should see those daytime pop-up storms fire up. Those look to be most likely in Tennessee initially, but they could drift southeast late in the day into the evening. So that's maybe when Huntsville could pick up some of those heavy downpours and frequent lightning. That fizzles out late on Saturday night. Sunday morning looks like it will be dry, and then here we go again with some scattered storms possible on Sunday afternoon. Now, the weekend storms likely going to be more isolated than what we've seen the past few days. So with that in mind, we should have a little bit more sunshine out there. And that's one of the reasons we're anticipating warmer temperatures this weekend with upper 80s for highs on both Saturday and on Sunday. It is going to be humid both days as well. Take a look at our forecast heat indices. Those could climb to the low 90s around 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And it could get even hotter out there with the heat index numbers by Sunday. Take a look at what we're expecting by Sunday afternoon. Feeling like 93 potentially in Huntsville and Scottsboro, could climb up to 94 in Muscle Shoals. That summer heat and humidity definitely here for the upcoming weekend. Likely to stick around on Monday as well with additional storm chances. Likely to see a bit of a settling down period, at least for a couple of days. Next Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe next Thursday. Slight break from the humidity, and then we're back at it again with the storms around this time next week.